What's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about the new Bluehost WordPress Pro hosting package, talk about some of the features and see whether or not it's worth it for you to upgrade your hosting plan. What's up guys, I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How, and if you have a blog or website, whether that's on Bluehost or another hosting provider, we're gonna talk about a brand new package that Bluehost just came out with and some of the features that they're offering so you can decide if it's going to be worth it to you to upgrade your hosting plan. Now, I just got an email from Bluehost saying, we've got this new WordPress Pro package, come check it out. And I spent a lot of time researching it, and it actually looks like it could be a really beneficial option for a lot of you out there who are really starting to gain some momentum with your blog. Or maybe if you're not gaining momentum, maybe there's some reasons why that's not happening, and we'll talk about how this can be fixed in this video. Let me jump right over here to Bluehost's website so we can browse through some of the features that they're offering for their WordPress package. So they're claiming right here that it's their best managed WordPress hosting package starting at $19.95 a month. For those of you that have been on that shared hosting plan, you're probably thinking to yourself immediately, that's not for me. I'm not going to $20 a month hosting. I'm loving my $3.95 a month hosting plan that I'm currently on. But let me talk about why this actually might be worth your money. I talk a lot to people about investing in their business, making their money work for them. Money makes more money, even when it comes to blogging. If you're smart with your money and you invest in yourself and your business, then you'll actually see your business scale even further. The big mistake that I see from a lot of bloggers is this. They take the cheapest route with the cheapest hosting or no hosting, free websites. They don't pay for any plugins. They don't pay for any software. They don't pay for any tools. They don't pay for books. They don't invest in courses or anything to help them learn. They just think that they're gonna ride the free train to paradise. And that is not going to happen. Every website out there on the internet today that makes a significant amount of income spends money on tools, resources, or premium products. I can guarantee you that. So when I see prices like this, instead of thinking I can't afford that, I think, how can I afford that? How can I afford to pay this for $19.95? Because how is this going to make me even more money if I upgrade? So let's talk about that really quick. Let me scroll down here and see what their offers are here. So right here, I'm just seeing, okay, there's the different plans, build $19.95, grow $29.95. Let me see what these plans have. Probably starting out, this is the smart thing to do, is you just start in incremental steps. There's no reason for you, if you're on a shared hosting plan, to see this and say, whoa, this is awesome. Let's go to scale. There's really no reason to do that. Take the steps, go to build. Once you've outgrown build, move to grow. Once you've outgrown grow, move to scale. That's how the process should work. There's no reason to go crazy. So let's really look over here at these build features. Okay, Jetpack, Site Analytics, we don't care about those. I don't like those anyway. I use Google Analytics only because I think those are a lot more accurate. They've got the Marketing Center though for you, 100 free premium themes. If we think about those, that's actually going to be, let's see, usually premium themes, you can get them for right around like 59 bucks. Or it could go all the way up to like 100. So depending on that, we could get ourselves a premium theme for $59, essentially for the cost of the subscription. So that's value right there, $59 of value. Scheduled backups, that's nice. This malware detection and removal is nice as well. You'd probably end up paying somewhere around $10 a month for a service like this. So we got to take into account the value there. Domain privacy protection, that's also an extra, could be an extra $10 to $20 a year for that. So there's some more value there. But let's look and see what else we've got here. Okay, all plans include unlimited websites. So if you want to create multiple websites, you can add as many as you want. So if you buy more domains, make more WordPress websites, no problem. Unlimited domains, like I said, unlimited subdomains, Unlimited web storage. This is a big thing because there's a lot of other hosting providers out there that have limits. One of the negatives I talk about of SiteGround, even though I highly recommend them, is their storage is limited. So they might only have 10 gigabytes of storage. Right here, you're seeing unlimited web storage. So you can post as many articles, pictures, videos, whatever it is on your website, and you can get as much traffic as you want. You see that right over here, no traffic limits. This is a big one because site speed is actually a ranking factor with Google. So when you get more visitors visiting your site, if you don't have a lot of traffic capabilities, it will slow your site down and hurt your Google rankings. So that's a big feature right there to take into consideration. This is a big thing that they're pushing with their new service, is this marketing center. So with their marketing center, they're giving you some access to some traffic analytics, but they're also saying that they'll give you some SEO information, which could be huge. If they're giving you some on-site SEO information, they could tell you how to speed up your blog. Maybe that you need to compress images. Maybe that you need to get more social shares, stuff like that. And apparently you've got this nice dashboard here to see all of that information. Like I mentioned, you've got the limitless pro themes, 24/7 support. That's a big thing. And we've got some FAQs. What are the top 3 features? That's a good question. Okay, so like I said, you've got the marketing center, manage your SEO, social media, email traffic channels, all in one dashboard, detailed analytics, already use Google Analytics, easily integrate. Okay, so that's interesting too. So you can just sync your Google Analytics and look at it within your WordPress dashboard, which might be really nice. But this is probably the biggest reason why you would consider this option is the improved site speed. So right here it says, all WordPress Pro servers are built with a solid state drive, meaning your website outperforms websites hosted on traditional HDD servers. We do not oversubscribe the number of users on these servers, meaning more of the server's resources are available to you when you need it. So basically, like I was saying, when you get more traffic to your website, you'll have more resources to easily accept that traffic so that your site doesn't crash and slow down. And it will load faster as well, which could give you an SEO boost. So it looks to me like if those features are something that would help you out a lot, meaning the marketing center so you can dabble in your analytics, the improved site speed, the free premium themes, if you're looking to just kind of like upgrade your site from the shared hosting plan and get some access to maybe some tools to help you out, then for $19.95 a month, I actually think that's a pretty solid deal. Because if you think about it this way, you're probably spending right now maybe $4 or $5 a month. So it's gonna be like a $15 increase in your spend. How are you gonna make that $15 back? Well, if you think about it, if you're getting smarter with your analytics, smarter with your SEO, you're gonna increase Google traffic, which can increase your revenue. If you have a faster site, you're gonna improve your SEO, which could increase your rankings, which could help you rank higher. So if you think about the benefits here, you'd have to think, okay, if I get a nicer theme, my blog looks better, it runs faster, it runs smoother, I can handle more traffic, I'm not getting bogged down with storage limits, could this be worth it for me? If that extra $15 a month is worth it for you, and those increases can help you increase your traffic and make more revenue, then yes, it's going to pay for yourself, and it's an obvious answer. So if you are in that in-between stage where you're thinking, maybe I want to get off this shared plan, I'm starting to make some money, I want to get a faster site, I want to get a more improved SEO site, then this could be a very valid option for you. I think I'm actually going to test this out with one of my websites to see how I like the performance, run some speed tests and other things to see how I like it. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel because I'm going to do some videos to show you the results that I'm getting with the new WordPress Pro plan. And if you are interested, there's a link right below this video that'll take you right to Bluehost that you can get the upgraded plan. If you're on another hosting provider, you could switch, or if you are in Bluehost, it's just a simple upgrade for you. It's that easy. So let me know in the comments below what you're considering doing, maybe what stage you're at. I want to chat with you and see, maybe get your feedback, what you think about this. Because I'd love to, kind of hear from someone else's perspective how they feel about this package. For me, it looks pretty enticing. I might test it out. I think that the boost can actually help me increase my revenue a little bit. So for me, it seems like a great option, but I'm curious to know what you think about it. Like I said, make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna be giving some feedback about this. Got some other videos on my channel to help you learn how to use technology to build an online business and create a life of freedom. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. We'll see you in the next video.